Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Soul Journey. And today we are going to do a very exciting reading, and it is about that how your person of interest feels and feeling currently about you and about the connection that they share with you. Okay, so we have three options today, and without further ado, I would just want to do three very special announcements and then we'll start the reading. And before that, I will introduce the options. Timestamp for all, everything is in description box below, so you can go there. Okay, so now first announcement, there is a Hindi channel of tarot of Hindi Happy Soul Journey. If you want, you can join me there. Secondly, if you want to win a personal reading with me, one question personal reading with me, you can contact me. You can just comment below love and blessings, and there will be a lucky draw every week. So let's see who wins this. Okay, and last but not the least, if you want a personal reading with me, guys, then we can have that. All the information is in the description box below. You can go there and check everything. Okay, so today we have three options. Let me make it a little bit equal for all the options. So we have three options. I have a little houses there. They're magnet house, like fridge stick, magnet thing. So I love them. So this is the first option. Here it is a second option, guys. And here it is the third option. Okay, so show you like this. 1, 2, 3. So whichever is calling you the most, guys, you can go for that pile. And let's see what is going to happen in the reading and what's your person is feeling. We are going to do the charms, we are going to do the dice, we are going to do the songs, a lot of cards. So it will be very exciting reading. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's start with the pile number 1. Hello guys, I've chosen this house, this cute house. Let's see. Let me see what your person of interest is feeling about you currently. Okay, so you got rest and rejuvenation. You got accept the situation as it is rather than fighting to change it. And practice shape-shifting by altering your physical appearance and mannerism. So first of all, I am getting a feeling that this is like somewhat a no contact situation. Okay, we'll have a tarot, fish. Okay, so there it is. First of all, I'm getting a very strong feeling that there is something called like no contact, no movement, or no decision making. At least to the least, it is like no decision making, no commitment. So it's like that. It's like this person is taking their time, taking their energy back from this relationship to to concentrate that thing into a lot of stuff. And there is a reason behind that, because this is like accept the situation as it is rather than fighting to change. It is like there's some kind of problem which is out of their control. It could be some person, could be some family member, it could be friends, it could be their financial status, it could be anything which is like out of their control. They cannot control it when it comes to this connection. So they are like let it unfold with its own course, and don't take things like that, don't push things in a way. If it's like everything is just started between both of you, if it's that thing, then I feel this person is really trying to take things slow with you. No pushing, just living, resting, enjoying. And if something is not according to what they want, then that's okay, because they are not in the energy of like pushing someone else, because they are in the energy of changing, making some change in their own self. Like practice shape shifting by altering your physical appearance. So maybe it could be a physical appearance, or it could be something in their life. Okay, octopus has 8 like hands or whatever, I don't know. But eight really represent manifestation, abundance, and mannerism is also like how they act, how they behave, how they react to something. So there's a lot of change that they are making in them. Plus they also think that you need that rest from this connection also, and you need to let go of pushing, and also you need to make some change in you. Okay, so there is like a mutual thing I'm seeing here. This person really see you as someone like, fish is like very, you cannot control and you cannot see where this person will go. So there is that thing like, they cannot control you, neither they can control you, nor they can control the situation in any way or shape or form. So this person is taking time out in some way, or this person is time trying that they don't try to change and they don't try to control anything. So this person is like very much patience, I would say. Okay, so what else? Judgment card. I feel recently or some time back there's some kind of conversation that happened between both of you, and this is a result of everything, all those things. So I feel there is some kind of conversation happened between both of you, or this person wants to tell you something after this rest and rejuvenation and no contact phase, or the phase of like no major decision making. Sorry guys, I dropped the card. Okay, so this is like Queen of Cups reverse, so I'm going to take it. For some of you, they're seeing you as not open to them. Okay, and that is in some way that is little bit of bugging and little bit of questioning your intention or the future of this thing. Okay, or it could be like whatever happened, and after which they decided they cannot do anything in this situation. This person is not seeing you as a receptive person. Okay, but they think that after this break or after this rest and rejuvenation or after this slow phase, you will be much more receptive here. Okay, we'll take one more card and then have some other cards. This person is feeling Ace of Swords. Definitely this person either have already told you some truths, confessions, or they will tell you some truths. Secondly, this person is now getting clarity about you because of this phase of not doing something, on taking a break or not saying something or just thinking, analyzing everything. I think this person has a lot of clarity about this connection. Definitely there was a heart break or some kind of pain that but there is also like there is some kind of stability also that I'm seeing here for you people. Okay, let's see what else this person feels about you or feeling. Karmic contract. So they feel there is some kind of karmic contract or some kind of thing that was between both of you, and maybe the time is over, or for few of you, according to them, the time like karma that was bounding both of you together, it's like it's done. And after that karmic or whatever happened between both of you, it was some kind of karmic contract that you both had to go through. But after that, there's next venture is waiting for you. So it could be that this person is thinking that you will move on from them, or when this karmic contract is over, or there is some kind of reconciliation that can happen between both of you. Okay, so there is thinking and thinking. But Judgment is also a card of rebirth after like some difficulty. So their reconciliation, rebirthing. So both these cards are new ventures awaiting for you. So they are also thinking of some kind of coming together with you. Okay, planning is going on, and structure, protection, connection, and foundation. So I'll take both these cards also, because I feel that there is some kind of planning which is going on here, okay, from this person's side. Let's see. A new start is coming. So this person feels that a new start is coming. I'm not saying that that is the thing, but I feel this person is definitely seeing a new start for this connection, because I'm getting a lot of cards about that thing. What else we need to know about this person's feeling towards my viewer who is choosing that option number 1? What else we need to know? So many cards, but let's see. Imagination. This person is thinking about you a lot. This person is imagining you. Daydreaming is like a very small thing to say, the kind of imagination this person is having. Okay, then the King of Wands, and I would really like to, show you something here. There is Steve Jobs, King of Vitality. This is also a King of Wands energy. Okay, so you are getting the King of Wands energy twice, which is talking about that definitely this person wants to take some kind of action towards you. And pride is like they are feeling confident to do so. Success. So yeah, a new starting will be successful and growth will happen. So this person is getting, after the rest and rejuvenation, this person is getting a feeling, that there is a potential there, and this will be successful no matter how hard the situation was. Persevering. So definitely this person wants to persevere for you guys, and that was a very beautiful thing to hear, right? If you want this thing, then definitely that was a congratulations. I'm so happy for you. For some reason I get excited when these, starting and these kinds of words come up, success, growth. But for some reason I'm feeling a very calming energy inside me. There is no excitement, but it's not a negative thing. It is like very calming and very soothing, and like really enjoying, like when you enjoy the rain silently and having a cup of coffee or tea or your favorite drink or something to eat, like hot chocolate. So I'm feeling a very, very calming thing here, and enjoyment here. So I feel this person really, really enjoy those moments with you, and they really, really want to enjoy moments with you. Oh, what is happening? I think during last... Okay, let's see. One is yet to come, but I'll shuffle again. What's their feeling? What's their current feeling towards my client or my viewer? Sorry. You are enough and X case. So I feel this person is some kind of ex, your ex, or this person is also want to say that if you had some kind of ex or some kind of relationship where you felt that you were not enough, I think this person wants to say that you are enough, you're good, you are beautiful, you're handsome, whatever it is, you are like a good partner or a good human being. And they want to address something in their ex part case, and they want to address something in your ex. Like there are a lot of thinking that this person has gone through, and they really want to share a lot of stuff which came up during this time, because this person, I feel, during this rest and rejuvenation, this person has a very great deal of eye-opening, awakening, and eye-opening of like towards the things in their life. So this will be really beautiful to see that what they got. So now let's have some charms, guys, for you. What the person feels about my viewers. Okay, so you got Turtle. It is talking about slow and steady wins the race. So you can see things very clearly. Okay, so Pandrive talks about a lot of stuff is stored inside them, and they want to share that with you. Okay, there is a mask, and they think that they have worn a mask around you, and they really want to share, and there is something really, you know, important, which is like they need to confess here. They feel very stuck in the situation, and for a few of you, they also feel that, you know, they have like taken your freedom in some way, or maybe caught you in some way, and or made you stuck in some way. So they want to, I think that they want to release it for a few of you, and whatever they will say, it will all, everything will not be beautiful. Okay, there will be some bitterness in it. There is some truth telling here. May could be someone's birthday, or in May something will happen, or happened, or have happened. Okay, there is some kind of friendship in the situation. It could be that it's your friend, or like best of friends for a few of you, or this person really see you as some kind of jewelry in their life. And what jewelry do? It just makes you beautiful. Okay, so yeah, 9 of Swords, this person is really disturbed because of all the thoughts and all that. Stone study wins the race. So this one person wants to take, like, both these guitars are talking about one thing. Like, one is that this person, if this person has guitar, or they play guitar or some kind of music, then this is special message. Secondly, this person really want to have a mutual song here with you. Okay, song of life, like mutual conversation. Okay, and heart to heart, it would be heart to heart. Okay, now this is like connecting. This is like, this is not just heart, it is also like mental or crown chakra connect. And these like orange dots represents a sacral like attraction for me. So it is like mind, body and soul and heart, everything. Like there's a connection that they feel towards you. This ring represents homo connections. So if somebody is watching who is interested in homo, or your person is, or if your person is homo, or they are like bi, then this is special message for you. Okay, now let's have some dice for you guys. So I'm taking this dice, and let's see what's their feeling towards my viewer. What's their person's feeling? Okay, so here is, we are getting the astronaut here. So you know, during this rest and rejuvenation, they have, you know, went through two places where they never went through. It was like outer space, out of their comfort zone. This person has went out of their what's that, comfort zone. Okay, and this is like really they have went out of their comfort zone. Let's have some letters, guys, so it can make up your initial, their initial, or some important words that we can get about this connection. Okay, okay, so first letter is S. Then Y, S, R, E. Okay, so yeah, I was waiting for E. So I think whatever your question is about, like very something very important question with regards to like this connection, if you're asking something, then the answer is yes. Okay, if this person has you know, confronted you in some way, or confessed their feelings, and after, you know, after anything, like something, you know, something bad happened, and your question is like, you know, do they really still love you? I would say yes. Okay, so whatever your question, the answer is yes. HROIE L and L. So am I seeing here anything? PISS. So I think piss off. So yeah, it could be that, you know, Nine of Swords represents maybe there are sometimes that this person was really angry of you, but this person, that's why that is the reason maybe that this person took this kind of break and rejuvenation phase. So this person definitely rejuvenated now. Okay, LOL. I feel that you used to laugh a lot with this person. There was like some inside jokes between both of you. That could be one of the possibilities here. Okay, so now I will RIP. So if in recently you or this person has lost someone, and this is a special message and a sign that this is your reading and this person still loves you. Okay, so now let's have some songs from this person's side, and I'll pull 3 songs. You can choose it like a pick a card, or you can just you know, listen to all the 3 songs. Okay, so now let's have some songs. So first is here, 1, 2, 3. Let me see. You can pause the video for a while and choose your song. Okay, so let's start with the first song. Okay, choose your song. Let's start with the first song, guys. So first song is Hips Don't Lie by Shakira. So this is a very flirty song in some way, and yeah, if this person really used to like your like lower portion, or if you are a woman, and then this is like, if this person, I think this person really likes your butt. And yeah, second is Attention by Charlie Puth. So I think this person is still really angry with you if you've chosen this, but I think things will be all right. Say something, I'm giving up on you. So yeah, this person is upset, definitely, with 9 of Swords. I feel this person is really upset, but they are you know, coming through. Like, they will grow up and they will take some actions. Okay, 9 of Swords was the underlying energy, and it is talking about like someone who's really upset over things. Okay, so that was the reason reading for the pile number 1. So now I hope that you like it. Let me know in the comment section below, and like, share, subscribe, and let me know if you have any kind of suggestion with regards to like topic suggestion for any reading. Then let me know that. And yeah, if you want a personal reading, reach out to me. All the information in the description box below, and comment below love and blessings if you want to win a personal reading with me. Okay guys, I love you. Bye. Hello, pile number 2. So let's see if you've chosen this beautiful yellow heart. Let's see what your person is currently feeling about you and the connection that you both share. Okay, so first card is Appreciation. Okay, I normally, you know, there's 2 words comes to me when there is this is the card which I see. First of all, that this person really appreciates you, and second of all, there is a peace. You know, there is a peace. They want peace with you. Okay, or they see you as someone like a peacemaker, because there is a like white hanky there which talks about peace. And 15 equal to 6, and it represent in some way balance. So this person is really balanced. Like, they think that you are balanced, you are beautiful, they appreciate you. There's some kind of peace that this person feels among the chaos, like among this bush. You are the beautiful thing. And 15 number is of Devil, so there's like some kind of attraction also there when it comes to you. Okay, Shark is saying trust your instinct to discern the truth of the situation. It's the first thing which came to me. Like, Shark is really talking, like really giving me a feeling of strong attraction here, strong physical attraction, like a wild person. Okay, and secondly, trust your instinct. So this person wants to trust their instinct in the situation and want to follow their instinct when it comes to you, and then they will see like what happens. Okay, third is journal. So this person, it could be a possibility that this person writes about you some kind of poems or some kind of stories or something, or this person writes some kind of letters. It could be like, just save those letters as a draft, or don't send you, but this person definitely writes something about you. Or it could be like, some messages that they don't send you but they write. Like, I'm getting a feeling that this person writes something to you. It could be that you both are connected through some text or something. Okay, and this person really appreciate you. And there's attraction also, because 15 number and shark both are talking about a strong animal instinct here. Okay, Knight of Wands. So it could be a possibility this person is a Sagittarius, but like a strong attraction again. Knight of Wands is again a very strong, when there is like excitement, fire, passion. Okay, for this person, like from the journal card, I'm getting like there's some deep thoughts inside them. When it comes to you, it could be that they write about the fantasy and the dreams that they have for you. But Knight of Wands normally represents something very temporarily, but I think there's something deep here. Okay, and it's growing, so it's not in its full form, but it's growing right now, and this person really wants to show their focus in that direction. So let's see what else this person is feeling about you currently. Page of Pentacles. So again, this is like learning few things, analyzing things, and thinking that if there is a possibility of a Ace of Pentacle, a new committed physical start. So right now it's very temporary, like they are thinking about it and trying to take a decision, or trying to follow their instinct and rush and the desire and the passion that they're feeling, but in some way they're also analyzing that if there is a longevity in this direction, and they should go with everything that they have towards this direction. Death. So if that is not the case, then this person will end the situation right now, because for some reason they think that they should not take it further if it's not permanent. Maybe it can damage you in some way, or it will damage them in some way if without having the idea of longevity they go for this thing. So yeah, this person is like little bit serious about it right now. It's so attraction, passion and everything, but for some reason they want to understand the permanency of this thing. Death is also giving a feeling of a lot of change that has happened in this person because of this connection or you. So they are also journaling about that thing, and this person is making a lot of change in them, physically or emotionally and spiritual wise. So a lot of change is also happening. Secondly, I feel this person is not telling you everything. There is a lot more inside them than they are showing, because appreciation also gives me a tinge, like that there is like her body language is towards this direction and her eyes is towards this direction. So body is not towards where the eye is looking. So this is little bit of like I don't want to show the interest much. I don't want to show how deep it is, but it is there. There's because it's not out of shyness or introversy. They are not sharing everything with you because they are not sure of it, and they want to be sure of it before they tell you something. Now let's have some more cards on this deck. What this person is currently feeling or feels for you. is about your this connection that they share with you. The pile number 2, what their person of interest is feeling. Give me some cards. They will not show you their cards easily. Okay? The confession is not that easy. You are stronger than you think. Rebuilding and home and babies. So it is about talking about 10 of cups, and they want to rebuild the situation. It could be the death is representing in some way the end of this connection. So they want to rebuild, and they're also saying that that you are stronger than you think. Okay, and they also see you as someone who is strong. Let your friends help you. Friendship, so it could be that this person was your friend, okay, and or their friends are helping them or boosting them or telling them that you should go for this or that, or showing them what's a good thing in this connection. So yeah, friendships, like friends are supporting your connection. Okay, let's see what this person feels. Ooh. See, this person feels a lot, but this person will not reveal those feelings easily. I'm getting that thing very, very, very strong. Okay. Detachment. In some way, they are trying to detach from the situation so that they can think logically not from their hormones or like heart, but basically hormones. But detachment is necessary for that, so that they can think from their logical perspective. Okay, nothings. So always this nothings card is talking about, like, it is not nothing, it is nothings. So it is sweet nothings. So it could be that this person wants to or already say sweet nothings to you, and sweet little cute stuffs, but it's not that visible. I think very small gestures that they show towards you, or it could be just just looking at you in some different way, when you just can feel the vibe, but nobody has said anything. Trust. This person trusts you, and really respect you and appreciate you in some way. Okay, years later in reverse, which is talking about they are not sure right now. They can make it like this, like, I will be there for you till the years later also, but I feel that right now the permanency is not there, but this person is trying to figure that out. Okay, this person is feeling. What else we need to know? Could be a long distance thing where this person write about you a lot or write to you a lot. They appreciate a lot, and for some reason they don't see the permanency of this thing. It's just passion, love, attraction, but there's no permanency. Or maybe this thing can die out someday, but this person really want to rebuild and have a 10 of cups with you, and they're trying to be strong for this connection, and yeah, and they're like trusting, like trying to trust the God, but there's a lot of things which is going inside them that you don't know. Journal and High Priestess both are telling me in very strong ways that there is a lot of secrets here. What else we need to know about this connection, like what this person feels about my viewer? Let me take this card. Be bold and make the first move. So this person wants to make a first move towards you. They want to be bold, but it will take a little bit more time. This person really figuring out things. What else we need to know about the feelings? Change in the reverse. So they think that something is like may change or like end, but nothing is changing up right now. They're blocking the change in some way. Ace of Pentacle, like Page of Pentacle holding the Ace of Pentacle. I was telling you, they're analyzing. So that's why they are blocking the change right now. They're not making a move, but they really want to make a move. 3 of Cups and humor, which is talking about they laugh a lot and enjoy your company, And friendship is also like, Three of Cups and friendship both are like giving a friendship vibe, so it could be one of your friends. Okay, so now let's have some charms for you guys. This is Ten of Swords, so Death and Ten of Swords both are representing some kind of ending here, and they want to erase that past. This is eraser. Friendship again, so this is a flower of friendship, and this is in its full bloom. Like, you both are very, very good friends or understand each other in a very good way. Okay, maybe this person plays some musical instrument, or this is like song of life that they want to sing with you, or there is some kind of messages that you may you are getting in a form of songs, or they shares few songs with you which really talks about that how they are feeling. Okay, so yeah, then they are putting a very, very like sharp vision on this connection and you, and they are trying to understand and make things very logical in their mind for some reason. Ribbon talks about happiness, and you are their happiness. Okay, rock, I don't know the name of this crystal, but this crystal really give me a very cool, cold feeling, not in a bad way, but in a good way. So they really want to feel that cold, cool vibe with you. Okay, where you just curl up in the, curl up in the and have some coffee, and a little very cozy environment. Venus, so definitely love is there, attraction is there, and you got the love charm. So you got the love charm also, so definitely love is there. Leaf, you got leaf, so it is talking about losing free or letting go of the control here. Okay, diversion, so maybe they are trying to make a diversion from their past pathway or their past behavior, I would say. Then you got Scorpio, so it could be a Libra or a Scorpio in your life, and this is like mind, body and soul connection. There's like orange dots which talks about sacral chakra. Violet heart is talking about the crown chakra, and the heart is like heart chakra. So there's a very strong connection that I'm seeing here between both of you. Okay, now let's have some letters, guys, for you. So it could be your initial, their initial, or we can get some important words to get more information about their feelings towards you. Okay, now let's do this. Okay, you got a lot of letters. L, B, R. If your person is cricketer or they like play cricket, then this is special message, but I don't know, I'm getting a feeling. P, R, Y, E, again a E, space, little bit more space here. T, Q, N, Z, E, R, I, T, L. So I'm getting a word that's it, like in my mind for you. So like there is like some kind of frustration here, and If your person is like a medical professional, like I'm getting NEET. So if you've given NEET, or your person is a medical professional or like studying medicine, then it's a special message for you. And PEEL, so peel. Okay, so there's some kind of hurt there, and in some way, or hurt there, and again I'm getting a feel like hurt, like peeling something, peeling skin, like it is really really hurtful. So there's some kind of hurt and pain inside this person. And secondly, from the peel word, it is coming up like layer by layer, so things will happen layer by layer. So let's see how they show you their true self layer by layer, and how this thing can grow layer by layer. Okay, so that's it. If you can see a word here, then definitely let me know in the comment section below. I will love to know, and it will be really fun. Okay, so now let's have some songs, or like, first of all, let's have a dice for you guys from my dice. What this person feels about you. See what this person feels about. So yeah, this person is really really hard, having a hard look. So eagle was also representing that, and this is also giving detective feeling, is also giving me a feeling of like really hard look towards you. And this is also like, it could be like they are not showing you their true self, like hiding their face. And both these cards are like secretive person who know others people life, but they don't show theirs. So that was something here. So I'll pull like 2 to 3 songs. You can use that songs as a pick a card. Like you can pick one song or one chit here, or you can go for all the 3. Okay, so let's see what's the message from person of interest of pile number 2. You got 4 songs, guys, so we'll take that. So go for the choice. You can pause the video for a while if you want, and let's start with the first song. So the first song is Collide by Rachel Platten. Again, this is very 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 18 plus song, or very sexual song. So yeah, there is attraction. Second song is Heart Attack. Yeah, this person has some pain and like peeling the hurt of, like, when someone's peel your body, as if someone has peeled your body. Say You Won't Let Go by James Arthur. So this person asking from you that you will not let go. And fourth is Best Song Ever by One Direction. So this is also a very beautiful song. So, and there's one song which I would open up for everyone, is Earned It by Weekend. So this is also a little bit of seductive song, and I'm getting that feeling for all of you. Okay, so that was your reading pile number 2. If it resonated with you, let me know in the comment section below, and like, share, subscribe if you haven't yet. There is my Hindi channel. If you want, you can join me there. If you want personal reading, all the information is in the description box below. And third and last thing, if you want to win a personal reading with me, definitely comment below love and blessings, so that I can consider you in the lucky draw for the week. Okay, guys, bye. Hello, pile number 3. If you're choosing this beautiful house, colorful, then let's see what your person is currently feeling about you. Okay, so let's see. First card is 6th chakra, Archangel Metatron. Second is Tortoise. You are too fragmented, so do whatever it takes to get grounded. This person is asking about the direction. Falcon, act on the opportunity that's before you and commit to it without equivocation. Okay. And the Bear. Okay. So two things which is coming very strong here. That first of all, this person is like too fragmented. They are not thinking straight, and they're asking for some kind of direction here when it comes to this connection. And you, there's like a lot of misunderstanding here, or I would say they're not able to understand this connection in a much more better way. This person is like taking it slow and very like it's very confusing. Okay. But bear and falcon is talking about, like, go for it, like grab the opportunity, go for this connection, do it. Like, don't get negative and don't think about anything else, and don't get so confused here. There's nothing to be confused about, just go for it, you know. But on other direction, they think like, I don't know. And like there's like they're fragmented in one part which is confused, and the second part which is saying that, take the risk. It's like, take the risk. One part is fearful, other part is talking like, be courageous. Let's see what else this person is feeling about you. So what the person of interest of Palamatri is feeling about Palamatri. Okay, death wants to come. Oh, death reverse. So they are like thinking that it's not ended yet. They don't want to end this thing, and it's not ended yet. But still a lot of confusion is there. They see you as someone very caring, okay, and also they want to care about you, and they think that they have hurt you very deeply in some way, because of their confusive state in their mind. But still you were really caring and very considerate towards them, and they think that the things have not ended yet. Okay, for few of you, I'm getting that song of Justin Bieber, in which he says that, the line is like, my mom likes everyone, but she don't like you. So there is some, for few of you, that line really goes, that this person is saying that their mother don't like you, and they like a lot of people, but so what you can do to make her like you. So, but you are likable, because Queen of Cups is definitely a likable person. But for few parts, like, there maybe they think that their mother will not like you, and she don't, or if you have already met his or her mother, then they think like their mother will not like you, or they don't like you. But my mother is really like, they like people. Okay, so that line is coming for you, people. What else? What this person is feeling towards you? Okay, 9 of Swords. This is like they're in between truths and their own self-limiting beliefs. So there are a lot of things in this connection which is like negative, but it's truthful, and they have to face it. But there are also a few things that they have made up in their mind. Okay, so that is the thing, and they know it. So they are trying to like analyzing that what's truth and what they have made up in their mind. So that is very important to understand before you can go towards someone, so that is the right thing that this person is feeling. If you both are in no contact, or like far away from each other, or there's some issue, then they are feeling your like that you're not there, feeling your absence very much. Okay, and they're very in their head when it comes to like in a lot of anxiety mode. For few of you, maybe they will ask for an apology and try to balance things and heal things out. Okay, and tell you that they want to commit, and that they want to make a change and change the situation for the better. But let's see, like there's a lot of thinking which is going on right now, because they are like really divided into two parts when it comes to their thoughts. So what else this person is currently feeling? What else pile number 3's person of interest is feeling towards pile number 3 and the connection that they both shared. What else we need to know? Okay. You got forgiving and learning. So yeah, Page of Cups and forgiving and learning both is talking about some kind of forgiveness and learning which needs to happen in this connection. And this person is feeling that they need to forgive you, or you need to forgive them, or they need to ask for forgiveness here. Yes, what is the meaning of yes to you? So if you have any kind of question with regards to this connection, the answer is yes. And secondly, I feel that because this is a Sun card, this person feels very like when we are so happy and we say yes, I knew that will happen. So there's a lot of excitement and happiness this person feels with you. Stuck, baby, holding back. So they are stuck, that's why they are holding back. Okay. And the last card is new vitality, one-time chance. So this is Ace of Wands, and they are thinking to have an initiation here after all these things, and they think if this is one-time chance. If I lose it, then I will lose. Okay, walk away at least for a time being. So if there was a separation or some kind of break or breakup happened between both of you, so this person is walking away for just time being. They're not entirely walking away or walked away from you. Okay, there's still a chance that they knew and they know that there's still a chance, but they are not sure about things and they want a direction here. For few of you, maybe their mother or a big mother figure who is making issue here. Okay, so let's see what this person is currently feeling towards you. Nothing will come out of this situation. Yeah, one side is let me make amends, and one side is saying nothing will come out of the situation. A fairy climax approaches. So it could be a climax where tower will happen, everything will be destroyed, or it will be very passionate and there's a new beginning, new vitality. So it is very confusive in their own head, and this person is really worried and they're really anxious, and they just unable to sleep or do anything productive in their life, because on one part they want to let it go, and on the other part they want to grab it for life. What else we need to know about this connection? Secret and lies. So maybe they have told you some lies, or you think that they have told you some lies, or they think that you have said some lies to them, or you have some secrets. Okay, there's some kind of blame also. Engage with people. So either they think that you will engage with people, or they told you that you should engage with other people. Okay, a few of you, maybe they are also engaging in people so that they don't have to think about grabbing this situation. Change is needed to move forward. They think something needs to change here if this connection will grow up. X case. So it could be X is coming back, or this person is your ex. That means you both were in a relationship. Or maybe they are engaging with their ex. It could be that all these thoughts is because of what happened to the relationship with their ex when they had that relationship. So it's whatever happened there, it could be a possibility that everything is repeating itself, and they think that thing ended, so this will also end. Okay, what else we need to know? Someone is approaching you. So yeah, this person think that someone is approaching you, or someone will approach you, or this person on the other part also want to approach you. Okay, so let's see what else. This is the last deck. This person is feeling about the pile number 3. What their person of interest is feeling about pile number 3. Loneliness and lack consciousness. So I feel this person is feeling some kind of lack. It could be that they feel that they are not enough, or they think that their mother will think that you are not enough, or they think like, whatever is right now, it is not enough. And these things, this person is also some kind of enviousness there. Could be that they are envy of you, or the kind of relationship you share with people, or they are envy with the people who will have you. Loneliness in reverse. So this person never felt lonely with you, and this person also want to feel like not alone. But even if for that, that they have that kind of desire, they feel lack. Okay, 4 of Cups was a card of rejection. So I feel if it is in reverse, then that means this person don't want to reject you, or they don't want to feel rejected. They don't feel that you leave them alone because they lack something. Envy. Okay, and let's have some charm, guys. So what the person is feeling. So they see a lot of obstacle in this connection. Okay, they don't want to see, they are not seeing the positivity here. Snowflakes is showing a sense of winter, which talks about stagnancy of growth. So they are not seeing any growth. January, so it could be someone is like born in January, you or them, or something happened in January, or something will happen in January. Okay, this person wants the growth, but they are not positive, or during the current situation they don't think that there any kind of growth will happen. Guitar, so if this person has guitar, or they play guitar, or learning guitar, or then this is special message for you. They want to hang on to this connection, but also putting this connection on the shelf for a while. Okay, whatever they are doing, they are making some good changes that will help this connection, or overall you and them. 95% off. So it's like 95% is like they're sure that there is a future with you, but that 5% is bugging them. So there is a Capricorn there in the house, so it could be you or them, their sun, moon, and rising. March, something happened in the March, or it is like your birthday, their birthday. Okay, then there is 5, 6, 7 of Pentacles, so analyzing, that we already saw. Okay, they, for some reason, I feel they think like there is like some evil eye that touched this connection, or there is some kind of like, yeah, there's some kind of issue that is happening in this connection. Yeah, so this is like whatever they are doing, this pathway, this thinking pattern is wrong, and it will be bad for them. Okay, what we are having in this thing, 7 of Swords. So whatever they are containing, it's whatever they are doing, it's self-sabotaging. Okay, whatever they told you, or what kind of emotions they spilled, because this was like this, they spilled, it was 7 of Swords, it was self-sabotaging. Okay, They're working towards their money. Or it could be the enviousness is because of the money. 10 of Cups is there, but I think this will talk about some kind of condition. Okay, what's this? Yeah, they see you. The 10 of Cups can happen, but again, this is giving me a feeling of mother. Okay, so they want their mother to be there when the 10 of Cups will happen. So I think there is a mother issue, or they miss their mother a lot. Heart. So love is there, guys, but with like some condition. Key. So you hold the key to their heart. Definitely. Let's have some letters. So it could be your initial, their initial, or it can give some deep meanings or deep meaningful words for this connection. So let's see how this person feels for you. Okay, so you got O, T, R, M, E, A, E, I, E again, O, I. So, you can make some words. If you can see some words here, you can tell me in the comment section, and that will hold a special message for you, okay? So let's see if you can get something here. A, Z, Y, T. So I'm seeing love, I think. There is no V. Okay. So G, W, and E. Okay, so mellow, I'm not getting all the letters here for mellow, but I am getting the word mellow in my mind, because MELOW, there need to be one more L, but it's not there, but I'm getting the feeling of a T. So if you like tea, or this person likes tea, then this is a special message for you. And if this person works at Z News, something like a reporter, then this is a special message for you guys. If you have met this person some kind of fair, or like a place where there were a lot of people around you, then this is a special message. I'm seeing Mela, which is a Hindi word for fair. And yeah, rat. So if one of you or your person has rat, then this is a special message for you. This person likes yellow color for few of you. Yeah, so that's it. I'm seeing that much. Let's have a dice for you people, what this person is feeling for you. So let's see what this person is feeling. This person feels this is giving me a feeling of rose color glasses. So either they think that they wore rose color glasses and remain very positive, or this person really want to wear the rose color glasses and just want to just jump in the situation and just let's see, they want to be very optimistic without and they don't want to be logical or all those things. They just want to be optimistic and feel good because they really enjoy you. So whatever, if they will contain this thing in their heart, then this will be very self-sabotaging if they not share these things with you already. And whatever is there in their heart, it's really self-sabotaging. So whatever they are doing, it's not good for them. But still, this person is doing all those things. LOT, lot. So you are a lot. That's why there is the energy of envious. So you're more than what they expected that they can have. Okay. So there is two things which I'm seeing here, me and we. So this person really consider me and also we. So it's not just about them, it's also about us. So this just roll down and answering a child. So yeah, there is definitely someone's mother don't like you, or they think that she will not like you, but they really like mama's boy or girl. So now let's have some songs for you guys. I'll pull these songs like a picker song, so you can either pick one of them or you can listen to all the three. So it will be in the form of like chits, so it will be a picker chit. Okay, so now let's do this. What's the message? Oh, you got a lot of songs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can pause the video and go for this thing, okay? Or if you have already made a choice, then let's see what's in there. So the first song is Falling for You by Colby Callet. That is beautiful romantic song. There's Nothing Holding Me Back by Shawn Mendes. With You, Tyler Shaw. This is very beautiful song of someone with whom he wrote that song for his wife. Earned It by Weeknd. And the fifth song is Collide by Rachel Platten. So that was your song, guys. You will get some extra messages about the feelings for you when you listen to that song. I will I'm thinking to put the links in the description box below. But I hope you enjoyed the reading. Let me know in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe. And if you want to have a personal reading with me, just comment below. Love and blessings. And last but not the least, if you want book a reading with me, then all the information in the description box below. Okay guys, I love you.